said let's do slime. Okay, so today we're doing slime. So first, we're gonna add the glue into these bowls right here. So let's do that.
It's the powder. You do the powder.
The powder?
Do 2 spoonfuls of the powder.
2 spoonfuls of powder to 3.
And your
Greg, you spilled it.
and your Tupperware.
So I spilled
So bring it over to your Tupperware. Take your Tupperware to the powder.
Which bowl should I put in?
The Tupperware.
Yeet.
Right there.
This?
Yeah, 1.
How much do we do?
And now 1 more
Okay.
spoonful.
2. Yeet.
Don't do that because you won't make the right consistency.
Yeet.
So just 2. Okay, now you have to do 3 spoonfuls of water. 3 spoons. So take your spoon Tyler you just had. 3 spoonfuls of water go into the Tide.
Oh, jeez.
Bring your Tupperware to the water, Tyler. I don't want to hear my voice.
Wait, how much do we do? Which ones did I put in?
In your
How
Tide.
much? How much?
In your Tide.
How much
The
drops
powder.
do we do?
3.
It's
3 drops.
scoops of water.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Stop!
Take the Tupperware close to the water, Tyler.
I did it. I did it.
2. Now 1 more spoonful, Tyler.
I did 3. Oh, this looks so weird. I've never made
Okay,
slime
now mix
before.
it in your soap. Make it like a wet.
Okay, so there's a YouTube there.
Okay.
Okay, I've never made slime before. Yes, we have. Never. Okay, what's next?
So move that aside
Put it aside.
and get your plastic bowls, your colored bowls. Okay, Tyler, move that
Red
aside.
blue?
Yeah. So, Tyler, you need to grab a
Josh, bring
spoon.
your bowl
How much-
close
how
to
much-
the
oh,
blue
10.
bowl.
Okay, how much?
10.
10 spoons.
So get the other spoon out of the other glue, Tyler. See how there's a spoon in the other glue?
Josh, try to be a little cleaner, okay?
It's not, it's far.
Just go get, okay, well maybe, Josh, can you, never mind, he's counting. Take your bowl to the other glue and just go beside Greg. Take your red bowl over, perfect. And then spoon out 10 into your red bowl.
10 spoons.
Put it right beside the glue, right beside the glue bowl.
8.
So count. 2, Tyler. That's 2, you need 8 more, you need 8 more.
Usually in videos you're not allowed to say people's names.
Yes, you are.
Made a mess. Okay. Well, how many is this?
That's 3. You count. 3. So
Make sure you go into my
count.
profile right now and like all of my photos and videos and get all your friends to follow me because I want more followers. Okay, just get me lots of followers, okay? It's all up to you guys. Or I'm gonna follow all of my friends. 7. Okay, I'm done.
need more glue, Tyler.
Definitely the
8.
messiest here.
Hold on, you need more. Use Josh.
This
Use
nose
Josh's bowl.
Josh, is your soap a
Take
little
your-
bit liquidy?
A little bit.
I would put just a little more water in there, maybe.
9.
I did 10.
No, you need 1 more. Scrape out that other bowl in there.
Does mine look good?
A little more water.
Yeah, just do a little bit out of there. Oh God, what are we doing?
10.
That's good. Okay, we might need some paper.
Okay,
towel.
what's next?
Tyler, you want some paper towel? Here, come in here and get it.
Okay, what's next?
Just rip
So
it.
it's
1 spoonful of water goes into your glue. So Tyler, Josh, can you pass Tyler his red bowl, please, just to make it easier? So now you each put 1 spoonful of water. Okay.
glue.
No, that's Greg's. That's Greg's. Yours is in your powdered mix.
Can I take
Tyler, in your powdered mix, use that spoon.
Maybe a little bit more.
So
Josh.
1 spoonful of water in your glue.
Just a little bit. Okay.
In your glue.
Is there enough?
A little tiny bit more, Tyler.
Oh, it's like slime.
Okay, now stir it. Now you're just supposed to stir it.
It's like the slime from like the
Yeah.
Kids' Choice Awards. Oh, it's slime.
Not yet.
Make sure
Mix
you
it.
all go subscribe to Tyler right now.
Yeah, what's your name, Tyler? Listserv 10?
Surf 10.
Is your
Go
YouTube
subscribe to
account?
Listserv 10. I don't know how it's spelled.
LESERVE10.
Yeah. Ask your parents to spell it for you.
So now I think you're ready for your
Listserv
food
10,
coloring.
Subscribe.
Food coloring
Which bowl? Red bowl?
in the glue. Yeah.
In red bowl?
Yeah, you're gonna put your food coloring in the glue and your sparkle.
No, food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, now what's next? Food coloring.
Yours is right beside your bowl, bud.
In your glue, Greg.
How much drops? How much drops?
Until it's the color you want. So do
How
a
much
couple drops and then stir it.
How much drops?
Try 2.
I think 4.
That's not exact amount.
I suck at making slime.
No, you don't. Don't you dare say that.
Okay, now it's time to mix it.
Time to mix that.
That's enough, Josh. I think.
Time to mix.
And if you don't like the color, you can add
Oh,
more
I love
drops.
my color.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna mix it with some. I love my color.
Okay, I mixed it.
Oh my gosh, it's like swampy.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice. I want to have the blue.